Goofer, bro, paano mo sasagutin yung strengths and weaknesses mo? Okay. So, strengths and weaknesses, no? So, ito yan. Usually, I talk about weakness, tapos I talk about yung strength. So, part 1, talk about weakness and problems. Part 2, talk about strengths talk about yung strength. Ano yung strength? Yung strength galing sa solution and skills na natutunan ko. Right? Na tinest ko dun sa challenge. So, ganito kasi yan. So, muna natin yung definition. The definition kasi niyan, a weakness is inability to reach goals and produce desired result. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo kayang ma-achieve yung goal, hindi mo ma-produce yung desired result. Kasi, bakit? Lack of skill, knowledge, and experience. Ibig sabihin, kulang ka sa skill, knowledge, and experience. So, meron kang goal, hindi mo ma-achieve dahil kulang ka sa skill, knowledge, and experience. Okay? O, next. Ano naman yung strength? Strength is the ability to produce positive result using a combination of skills, knowledge, and experience. So, yun lang yun. Weakness, kulang sa skill, knowledge, and experience. Strength, meron kang skill, knowledge, and experience. Yun lang yun. Okay? So, paano ko sinasagot yung strength and weakness question? So, nagsa-start ako sa problem, tapos bibigay ko yung solution. So, I talk about a past problem, and then I talk about the solution. So, one of the problems that I had in the past is I was disorganized, and I was also forgetful. So, what I did to solve the problem was I tried to research and learn management skills from books, lessons, mentors, and daily practice. Yung dun sa forgetful, I started writing things down. Lagi akong nauutal, lagi akong nami-mental block. So, napansin nyo, kanina pa ako labas ng papel, ang dami kong papel. I use paper so I don't forget. So, that's my solution. So, that's how I answer yung mga strengths and weaknesses question. So, I talk about the problem, I talk about the solution. So, yung problem usually related sa weakness, yung solution related sa strength. Okay?